Hello and welcome. I'm Alex, and today we're diving into a topic that touches many lives: credit repair. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or looking to improve your current situation, understanding how to repair your credit is crucial. So, let's tackle some of the most frequently asked questions together. First off, what exactly is credit repair? Simply put, it's the process of addressing and fixing errors and negative items on your credit reports that can drag down your credit scores. These might include late payments, charge-offs, or even fraudulently opened accounts. Next, a burning question we often hear: is credit repair legal? Absolutely. The Fair Credit Reporting Act gives you the right to accurate credit reporting. This means you can legally dispute errors or inaccuracies on your credit reports with both the credit bureaus and your creditors. Now, how does credit repair work? It starts with reviewing your credit reports from the three major credit bureaus. You're looking for any inaccuracies or items that shouldn't be there. Once identified, you, or a credit repair service, can begin the dispute process to have these errors corrected or removed. One of the most common questions we get is, how long does credit repair take? The answer can vary. Simple inaccuracies might be resolved quickly, in just a few months, while more complex issues could take a year or more. Patience is key. Looking to fix your credit scores? Look no further. Choose Fix My 3 Scores for reliable credit repair services. But wait, did you know you can also tackle it yourself? Absolutely. With diligence, consistency, and some research, you can repair your credit without professional help. Take charge of your financial future today. Remember, improving your credit doesn't happen overnight. It's about taking those first steps, staying informed, and being proactive about your financial health. Thanks for joining us for this quick guide on credit repair. If you have more questions or need guidance, don't hesitate to reach out. Remember, you're not alone on this journey. Until next time, take care and be credit-wise. Need more help? Contact us via email, schedule an appointment, or call us 866-517-3139. Again, 866-517-3139. Thanks for watching our FAQ video. At Fix My 3 Scores, we're dedicated to helping you repair and rebuild your credit. Don't wait another day to take control of your financial future. Click the button below to get started with us today.